What's up guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to do a review and demo of the new Natasha Denona My Dream palette. This palette does retail for $69 and it is available in Sephora, and I am so excited to be trying out this video. I was very iffy if I wanted to get this palette, and if you saw my vlog, and if you didn't, if I haven't posted it already, I did pick this up at a Sephora. When I saw it I had to get it just because of this shade right here called Visionary or Vision. Such a beautiful shade. It's like a duochrome shade. I just couldn't help myself and just grab it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's soft touch. It has these like splatters on it. I'm not sure if I'm a big fan of that. It's nice. I can't complain. It just looks a little dirty. This does have a 24-month shelf life and it was made in Italy. I'm excited to try this out. I do have her other palettes in these sizes because her full palettes, the bigger ones, are like either $100 or $200 just for the bigger palettes. But this is like a happy medium, and you can pop up the shades and switch them around. So if you feel like uninspired for these shades, you can move them around. I'm tempted to go in with the purples and the golds, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to be sticking with like the neutrals, the black. I think I'm gonna use this. I think I want to do like a halo eye. I haven't done one of those in a long time. So if you guys want to see how this palette performed, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I zoomed you into my eyes. My eyes are already prepped with concealer. First shade out of this palette that I'm gonna take is Unity. And I'm going to use that on a Morphe x Ariel 811 brush. These are quite powdery. So this is going to go directly above my crease. This is going to be a really good transition shade. And you can build up this color. It's very, very pretty. It's just going to lay this one down for our transition area. Well, to help blend out the other colors. Now I'm going to go in with Carpe Diem. Where is it? Yeah, this one right here. Go in our actual crease. Going back in with Unity and then meshing these two shades together. And now I'm gonna go with Aspiration, which is this deep purple right here. And I'm gonna place this on the outer corner of my eye. This shade is super creamy. And then I'm gonna place this on the inner corner. Also, if you hear breathing in the background, I'm sorry. He's here with me. Okay, I'm gonna keep those shades right there. And then with the Morphe M514 brush, I'm gonna go in with Carpe Diem again. And just blend out Aspiration. Going in with that same product I use Aspiration with, or brush, I'm gonna further blend out Aspiration with no extra product. This kind of looks a little bit messy, but trust me, when it's all done, it's gonna look very beautiful. Now, I do feel like I want to take Familia, which is, oops, this one right here. Take it to Aspiration. On the edges. Alright, and now I'm going to go in with Vision. I think I'm going to use my finger with this one. Look at that shade. It's so pretty. Okay, now that that shade's placed down, it looks super gorgeous. Mari times Ariel 829 brush, going with aspiration, and I'm gonna run this under my lower lash line. Considering that I use no under eye powder, this looks absolutely gorgeous. It does kind of look a little muddy right here, but it's probably my problem, honestly. Now I'm going to go in with Carpe Diem with that M514 brush. Adding some warmth under here. Alright, that looks really nice so far. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara and eyelashes, and I'll pop back on with everything completely done. Alright guys, I am all done with my eye makeup. I totally love how this eye came out compared to this eye. I feel like this one just looks so effortless, just maybe because I knew what I was gonna do on this eye after doing this one, and that always happens. But to be quite honest, this palette is freaking gorgeous. I love it so much. I do have the Lily Lashes 3D Foam Mink lashes in the style Sassy. This is the half lashes. It comes in these little packagings right here. But my eyes look absolutely beautiful. I haven't done an eye look like this in a very, very long time, so I'm happy how it came out. I'm going to zoom you guys out. Overall, I am super in love with this palette. I am so happy I picked it up. For my inner corner highlight, I did use the shade Spontaneous, this shade right here. It's so beautiful for the inner corner. And this Vision color, oh, it is to die for. I love duochrome, so I feel like the way this looks absolutely gorgeous. Is this palette really necessary? I don't think it is, just because if you do have these shades already, I mean, why do you need this? But I am a Natasha Denona fan, so I am happy I decided to grab it. And it looks more beautiful in person than it does in pictures. Just keep in mind this will get dirty pretty fast. I do want to make more eye looks using the other colors. I did use, how many shades? 5 shades. This black one looks as creamy as the aspiration shade, so I have no doubt that that one's gonna look super gorgeous. Overall, I am highly impressed. If you guys picked up this palette, let me know in the comment section below and let me know what you guys think about it. Also, if you guys did enjoy this review / demo, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed already. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know what is your dream palette. Like, what colors consist in that palette for you. Let's go ahead and chat down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!